Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So I'm about to leave the house for school. This is my outfit today. And yeah, I'm gonna leave.
Biscuits. I've never been on a biscuit.
Yes, you can absolutely be on my biscuit.
As you guys saw, I just got home from school. It's about 2:44. And it snowed, so that's very exciting. It's basically been snowing all day. Yeah, so I'm going to edit Vlogmas Day 8 and then get that up. Right now, it's currently 7:02. And I just edited Vlogmas Day 8, and now I'm just gonna quickly get a thumbnail done and then get this up, and then after that we are going for a walk, and then we are starting the tree, and I also might start writing Christmas cards out, so I will update you guys during that. So, in a little bit, like 20 minutes maybe, my mom is going to start putting lights on the tree. And I think I'm going to sit down and start writing Christmas cards. Because last year, we bought like a pack from Target, I'll show you in a minute, of Christmas cards. And then we bought them way too late and I never did them. So we never sent them out. So we put them in the Christmas tote so we would have them and remember to do them. So I'm gonna start doing that. My mom is just figuring out right now who I should send them to because she has this list, but it's a little confusing, and I kind of want to make labels, like cute little return address labels, so I might do that as well.
It was going to come back, and it will go back to the Supreme Court probably by this weekend, but the chief judge said that people will misinterpret.
I heard you put them on the bed, then I heard you drop off the box to walk the dogs. But then I didn't hear you pick up the box.
You were sleeping, so I let you be.
These were the cards that we got last year. Cute. And they were like the big pack from Target. So in the little pack, it comes with the Christmas card, it comes with the envelope, and the envelopes have like this like interior of the snowflake print, and it comes with stickers to put on the envelopes. So I'm gonna write these up. As you saw, I just wrote like the little ending to the cards. My mom actually needs to update the list before I write like the dear and then the family's names. But while I was doing that, she was like trimming the bottom of the trees so it wasn't touching the floor. And this is what it looks like now. Oops. So cute. It looks like it's still a really full tree, but it looks like it's not taking over the room now since she trimmed like the bottom. So actually it's gonna be tomorrow that we're gonna start putting the lights and all the ornaments on the tree. Don't mind this. I am breaking out in hives. I don't know. It's fine. Just ignore it. So it's currently like 10:30. I'm in a shower and I have algebra homework to do. I have to study for a chem quiz tomorrow and like review US notes because I have a 2-day DBQ test starting tomorrow, so it's Thursday and Friday. And I also have a chem quiz on Friday as well. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't know if this is a shorter one or not. It probably is. I'm sorry. It's just on a school day. I don't do much and this is just like what I'm doing. We're probably just gonna, me and my mom are probably just gonna watch TV. I'm in a shower and then go to bed. So thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 9. Make sure you like and subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Bye guys.